Okay, drop ceilings. You got wall angle, mains, 4s, and 2s. All your parts. 4s and 2s. No, these are the tiles. Those are the parts before the tiles. So the tiles are the parts as well.
To start, lay out your mains. They will be 4 feet apart with an even space on each side. Snap a chalk line where its mains will go. Install wire hangers on the line. Install your wall angles. Hang your mains. Fill in your 4s and 2s. Cut in 4s and 2s. Lay in a few tiles to keep your ceiling square. After lights are installed, finish laying tiles.